Student Council is now called to order. Ms. Secretary, please call the roll.
Yes, Madam Chair. Sibunga.
Present.
Edsel.
Present.
Padbelan. Present. Talipan.
Present.
Disoma. Present. Tabanaw. Present. Dahuya.
Present.
All members are present, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Secretary. The quorum is established. We may now proceed to our agenda. The proposal of a budget for our upcoming campus event. The floor is now open for new business. You may present your motion.
Madam Chair, I move that we allocate 10,000 for a culture night to celebrate our campus diversity.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded. The floor is now open for discussion. Ms. Secretary, please record the motion.
Recorded, Madam Chair. Motion to allocate 10,000 pesos for a cultural night.
Madam Chair, I move to amend the amount from 10,000 to 12,000 to include decoration and prizes.
I second the amendment.
It has been moved and seconded to amend the amount to 12,000 pesos. Any discussion?
Amendment recorded. Change from 10,000 pesos to 12,000 pesos.
Madam Chair, I move that this proposal be referred to the Finance Committee to further review and detailed planning.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded to refer the proposal to the Finance Committee for further review. Is there any discussion?
Motion to refer to the Finance Committee duly recorded.
Madam Chair, I move to postpone this discussion to the next week to give the committee time to prepare.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded to postpone the discussion to next week. Any objections? Hearing none, motion carries.
Madam Chair, I move to limit the debate to 2 minutes per speaker so that we can manage our time.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded to limit the minute per speaker. Any objections? The motion carries.
Noted. Debate limited to 2 minutes per speaker.
Madam Chair, I move for the previous question to end the debate and proceed to vote.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded to call for the previous question. All those in favor ending the debate and voting, please say A.
A. A.
A.
A.
A.
A.
The A's have it. Debate is closed. We shall now proceed to vote to amend and refer the motion to allocate 12,000 pesos for the cultural night to be reviewed by the Finance Committee and discussed next week. All those in favor, please say A.
A.
A. A. A.
A.
The motion is carried.
Motion carried 12,000 pesos allocated for cultural night. Referred to the Finance Committee. Discussion postponed to next week.
That concludes our business for today. Thank you, everyone, for your participation and cooperation. The meeting is now adjourned.
Meeting adjourned at 2 o'clock and 10 minutes in the afternoon. Minutes recorded.